Hi friends, today we shall see information about Delos report which is mentioned in our new education policy 2020, and here are its elements and who was Delos. So we will see here that Delos report was on the name of Jacques Delors, and he was born on 20th July 1925 and died on 25th May 1981 at the age of 95 at Paris in France. He was 8th President of European Commission 7th January 1985 to 24th January 1995. He was also as a Vice President of France Emerson, and he was also Minister of France at 22nd May 1981 to 17th July 1984. He was also remained as a member of European Parliament in 1st July 1979 to 25th May 1981. His constituency was East France and his political party was Socialist Party. So here the most important thing is that his party is named Socialist Party, and the name on the report was Treasure Within. This is important thing for us in competitive exams and for the students who are know about this education policy. So, and the this report, Delos report. So its name is important, that Treasure Within. So here Delos Commission came into 1996, and the first commission of the European Union. This was the first commission of European Union. It was formed on 1992 and dissolved on 1994. These are the two span for this report, and most important thing is that there are two key concepts in this report which is universal for the education systems. So here there are two key concepts. First is learning throughout life. Learning throughout life is one aspect, one key concept, and another is that four pillars. These are mentioned in our new education policy 2020, and these are the four pillars: learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live together. These are the four pillars are important for us for world education system, and it is mentioned in our education policies document also. So we have seen here that Delors about the Jacques Delors about Jacques Delors, and the report's two key concepts are the most important, and the report's name is that Treasure Within. This is the important thing in this report, because there are many exams are conducted, and this report's name is also mentioned in the questions. So you should remember that these things. Okay. So we shall see again on next time.